Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to do a quick talk about my Moterm planner covers. Two of them in particular. I was watching another video, and now I can't remember the name of the channel, but she was talking about her Moterm planners and kind of how she has them set up and how she uses them. It's kind of like all in one. It's like her planner, her journal, her trackers, and she puts everything in one, and she uses a Moterm cover. Now I have quite the collection of Moterm notebook covers. I love them. I think they're affordable. They're excellent quality, and they're very popular with us planner people. So let me talk about these two here because I've had both of these for several years now. Okay, this is that way, and this is the B6 size, and this one is the A5 size. So starting off with the B6, now I did have this set up and I was using it kind of as a journal, and I had a B6stology in here, but I just never, well, I did use it, but then I stopped using it, and because it was more than halfway done, I just kind of, well, I didn't throw it away, but I just removed it from here, and I was going to start all over again. So I have the clear cover from Lauren Phelps Designs that everybody seems to have. And then I've got some Erin Condren calendar stickers, undated, that I was planning to use in here. And then I've got some stickers back here that I guess I wanted to use up. But what I'm thinking now is that I do want to have kind of a fun commonplace book, and I'm trying to decide, do I want that in the B6 size or do I want that in the A5 size? Now the B6 size is really nice, especially if you take your, planner with you on the go, because it's small and portable, but it's not too small. So if you're a big writer like I am, like I write really big, this is really the smallest I can go. I can't do personal or pocket size notebooks. I've tried them in the past, and I just get frustrated because I feel like I'm forcing myself to write small, and that just takes extra energy for me. And, I don't feel like I should have to worry about how big I write something. Maybe that sounds silly, but that's me. So I did have this decorated. I think, yeah, I had these in here, and because I wasn't sure if I wanted to continue with this same thing, I just kind of turned it around, and either I'll use these for templates to make new inserts, or I'll remove them. Who knows? This is a Simply Gilded page dashboard, I think, that I got in a sub box many years ago. It's got that holographic glitter on it. Very pretty, very fun. And yeah, so that's what I'm trying to do. Now this is the taupe. I think it's called a taupe color, but it kind of looks like an elephant gray. But I think if you were to order this one, if they still have this color in stock, it is like the color they call it is taupe. So that's the B6 Moterm. Let's take a look at the A5. Now I bought this one secondhand from the Moterm buy sell trade group a few years back, and I really love the black. Now the thing with this, it would be really easy to move into because I already have a Stology unopened that I never used, and I bought this years ago because I was going to set this up as my kind of everything planner, but that didn't work out. So I still have the Stology, and the only thing is I don't have a cover, like a clear cover for this, and I would want one of those if I move into here. Now you can see I already kind of started this up, and I'm feeling the vibe with this because we are moving into fall and the spooky season, and one of my favorite holidays is Halloween, and I do like all the dark energy that kind of comes with fall, and so I'm really feeling the vibe with the black Moterm. Now the other thing about this is because I will not be taking this on the go, I could really do a lot with this and figure out how I want to play around with it. Truth be told, I really don't need another notebook. I feel like I'm already kind of maxed out with the notebooks and the journals I'm already using, because I do have a daily journal. I do have a couple planners that I'm using, and I'm using a traveler's notebook. So that's already 4 books that I'm in and out of almost every day. And I feel like adding this would just kind of already, it will overwhelm me. But if I do this for fun, you know, and don't put any pressure on myself to actually make it like a planner or something like that, I think that could work. Like I said, I'm just really feeling the vibe with the dark all black here. So yeah, we'll see, but I just kind of wanted to share because I know, you know, everybody is kind of either redoing their setups for fall, or they're, you know, just kind of changing out their decor. And I wanted to, I don't know, I just wanted to kind of share my thoughts as well. So I don't know, let me know, you guys, are you planning to maybe switch up your planners or notebooks for the fall season or for Q4? Or are you like me and you just kind of have that shiny object syndrome where you see somebody else doing something and then you're like, oh yeah, that looks good, I want to do that too. Because that is totally me. But you know, at least I have quite a few notebooks in my stash to choose from. So if I did want to switch things up, it's not going to be, you know, it's not going to be an expensive task. It's not going to be something, you know, where I have to spend a lot of money and stuff like that. Oh, I did get something from Amazon real quick. I want to show you guys. So let me pause the video and go grab it. Okay, this is totally unrelated to planning, but I thought it was fun because I saw these scrapbook paper book, I guess it is, on Amazon, and I saw this groovy hippie design. Now, I really like vintage stuff. I mean, I know I talked about I like the Halloween, the dark stuff too, but I really like vintage and a lot of, you know, the 70s kind of artwork, and I just thought this was so fun. So my other idea was to maybe do a setup using these papers and using, you know, this kind of a theme, because the pages are double-sided and the size is 8x8 square, and I'm not sure, oh yeah, this would work for an A5 size if I wanted to use that. But these colors and these prints are so fun. And so I was thinking, you know, maybe do the dark vibe for this one, and then do the groovy vibe for the B6, you know, with these scrapbook papers. So, you know, a lot of these are like kind of retro. What else would it be? Maybe Art Deco would be another way to describe it. So I think these are really cute with the girl. But I like the flower power. This just really reminds me of, you know, these patterns and designs. I remember seeing like my parents and stuff, you know, have like shirts like this. Remember the polyester shirts that had those types of patterns on it? I just thought it was so fun. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking about doing. So this is the book here. I'll also have this linked if you are interested. But yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'll do like the groovy hippie theme with the B6, and then the dark vampy dark energy, something really vampy with the A5. And I think that will be just a fun creative project that I could do. And, you know, I'll decorate it, set it up, and maybe, you know, I don't have to feel pressured to use it if I don't want to. But I think it will be fun because then I can kind of just do something different with these. So, yeah, and then I could put some of these papers here. I think that would be really fun. So, okay, I think I'm going to work on that. When I do get it done, of course, I will share and show you the finished product and let you know how it turned out. And I'm going to just shop my stash. This is the only thing I bought. And what I probably will buy is, you know, a plastic cover for this. And that's going to be it. But I do like these colors here, so I may stick with this color theme. And I think I have this scrapbook paper in my stash already. But, you know, I don't have to use that, but I probably will because I like the color scheme. So, okay, that's going to be it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed. Maybe you got some ideas if you want to kind of switch up your planners, notebooks for fall. I would love to see. Let me know what you're doing. And that's going to be it. So thank you so much for watching. I will check in really soon.